Our ears are self-cleaning, meaning that the skin in your ear canal will ultimately push out any unnecessary wax on its own, and it will dry up and just fall out, and you probably won't even notice it. And the reason why we have wax in our ears, we're not really sure why. We think it's an evolutionary benefit. It regulates the pH in our ears, and it also prevents little things like bugs from flying into our ear and damaging our eardrum. So actually having wax in your ear is very important. It also moisturizes the skin of the ear. So we don't necessarily need to have perfectly clean ears. But if you are feeling a blockage, there are a couple things that you can do. Just cleaning with a warm, damp washcloth and just cleaning on the outside will help remove any excess wax. I want to emphasize that I don't recommend Q-tips because you can actually push the wax in further and it could eventually damage your eardrum or the skin of the canal. I use Q-tips myself on my ears, but I just use it only on the outside. This area is called the conchal bowl, so you don't push it within the canal.